नमस्कार मित्रांनो, या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण एक विद्यार्थी आहे जो जस्ट 5वीला आता आलाय, याचा अर्थ 4थीलाच आहे. ठीक आहे. आणि पहिल्यांदाच व्हिडिओच्या माध्यमातून सांगतो, त्याला बोलण्याची जरा सवय थोडीशी कमी आहे. ठीक आहे. त्याच्यामुळं त्याची लँग्वेज तुम्ही समजून घ्या. परंतु माझ्याकडे क्लासला येऊन तो जस्ट 15 ते 20 दिवस झाला असेल, परंतु तो प्रयत्न करतोय. कसा प्रयत्न करतोय बघूया. आणि मी पुन्हा व्हिडिओच्या माध्यमातून दावा करून सांगतो, ज्याचे ग्रॅज्युएशन झाले तो तेवढा बी प्रयत्न नाही करणार. त्यामुळे ठीक आहे, अप्रिशिएट करण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. Can you tell me about something yourself?
Yes, sir. I am Rudra Trole and I studying in 5th class and I want to become a doctor
Okay, you want to become a doctor. So, why do you want to become a doctor?
because I help the sick people and make them well and also serve a country and makes my parents proud.
Okay, that's great. So, next question for you. What are you doing to achieve your goal?
I study hard, especially science and English, and I try to improve my knowledge.
Okay, that's great. So, next question for you. Which thing do you like in medical profession?
To help sick people and make them healthy, learn about human body.
Wow. Next question for you. Who inspire you in total all over journey?
Shubham sir, my parents.
Okay. Next question for you. What quality do you think in good doctor?
A good doctor should be kind, honest, and helpful.
Okay. So next question for you. What will you do when you will be the doctor?
I will help sick people and take care of them.
Okay. Next question for you. Last but not least, what is message should you give to other children? They really want to become a doctor.
Study hard, stay focused, and never give up.
Okay. Thank you so much, and best wishes for your bright future. Okay.